right, what's up, guys? We got another question, and this is, what are the main things for a rich freelancing career? I often talk about like setting up the right foundation for what you're trying to achieve, for freelancing. For some people, they want to do kind of like one thing, maybe it's writing, and just be like, okay, I want to write this much content per month. I need this many clients to, survive or be able to pay the bills. And it's like they just want to kind of stick with that. Now, for others, they're thinking, okay, how do we like really maximize what we can achieve online? And for those people, it's really comes down to like how much time are you willing to spend like learning new concepts and ideas and just kind of going crazy with like the workload and the time and the energy, because you can really be the person that becomes an exceptional member of a team, and that says, okay, feel free to hit me up at any time during the day and night, and I'm going to be, able to help you with whatever you need. And those types of people are just a rarity and an amazing thing to find, like as a freelancer. And you're just like, wow, like I don't know how my business would operate without that person. And I think that if you can position yourself as a person that knows a lot of different things within an organization and becomes a key player, and someone that these businesses can rely on, you're going to find that you can start to charge at levels that are like make this really fun and not just a job, but like, oh wow, like this is actually like a kick-ass career that I can do really well with, right? Like I don't want to just write a couple like writing gigs and get by. Like I want to dominate. I want to be a really like high achiever, and again be that person that you can rely on. And yeah, it's out there, guys. I hire people all the time with little experience, and I just if you jive with them, if there are people that like will take care of issues and learn stuff, I will hire them all day. And those are the people that I don't mind paying. So these are all scalable skills, and hopefully you've checked out Upwork and or Fiverr, because both of those products, those platforms produce tons of freelancers that are doing very well and just do that for a living. So yeah, try it out. If you have any other questions, let me know, and thank you very much for asking it. Bye bye.